This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Welcome home to this updated Sikes Estates property featuring a roof replaced in 2025, newer windows, hardwood flooring, and granite countertops. The spacious living area offers a cozy fireplace and attractive multi-level ceiling. The kitchen features granite countertops, updated backsplash, black appliances, and abundant cabinet space. Enjoy formal and casual dining areas plus a breakfast bar. Isolated primary suite with 2 walk-in closets. Covered patio, privacy fence, and storage building. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.